Hyperpigmented spots or patches on nose, chin, cheeks or forehead, what we know as melasma, is more commonly seen in females, which represents increased production of melanin in that area in response to protection provided by skin for sunlight. So in today's video we will discuss regarding the ways of presentation, causes, methods of prevention and treatment for melasma. Please do like and share the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Melasma mostly presents as hyperpigmented spots or patches on photoexposed areas of the body like cheeks, chin or nose or forehead, but can also be seen on forearms, back or neck. Melasma itself causes no symptom to a person, but the main problem with it is its cosmetic unacceptability. First major cause of occurrence of melasma is exposure to light, which not only includes exposure to sunlight but also exposure to infrared light generated from bulbs and cooking stoves. Second major responsible factor for melasma are hormonal changes occurring in female body after 30 to 35 years of age, which may occur following or during pregnancy or with birth control pills. Other causes for such pigmentation includes use of pain relieving balms or creams containing hydroquinone in higher percentages for longer duration. So now let's see what measures you can follow for prevention and treatment of melasma. Application of sunscreen daily is most vital and initial step in the treatment of melasma. Apply sunscreen with broad spectrum, with SPF of at least 30+, and even providing protection to visible light. For more detailed information, do watch our video on sunscreen. Second, always wear full sleeve clothes whenever stepping out in sunlight. Third, cover your face with white cloth which does not allow light transmission. For treatment of melasma, you can use topical preparations containing either kojic acid, glycolic acid, arbutin, hydroquinone 2% or tretinoin 0.1%. Fifth, for those not responding to topical treatment alone can undergo procedural treatment, including microdermabrasion or Q-switch Nd:YAG laser or intense pulse light laser. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you on next Monday.